Imagine opening the door saying, "Hello, honey, I'm home," and everything unfolding just the way you want. Now let's explore the magic of turning that imagination into reality, step by step. First, ask yourself a simple question. What kind of person would someone want to come home to? A good start might be someone clean, healthy, and in reasonably good physical shape. But it's not just about appearances, it's about being productive, generous, and honest. Now imagine you're dancing through life, and the music around you is the patterns of being. Can you align yourself with those patterns gracefully? Can you interact with others in a playful and attentive manner? Now here's the big question. How can you be the best partner possible? And a common worry arises, what if people take advantage of your goodness? Well, the key is to be as soft as a dove and as wise as a serpent. It's about knowing that yes, there might be challenges, but by offering what others need and want, you'll attract more positive interactions. Now let's talk about coming home after a long day. Imagine a scenario where you walk in and it's exactly the way you want it to be. Your spouse welcomes you with a warm hug, asks about your day, and suggests sitting down to talk. Sounds good, right? The trick is, you get to pick how you want it to be, but first, you have to figure out what that ideal scenario looks like. So here's the deal. Treat yourself properly and imagine your perfect homecoming. Picture the joy, the warmth, and the love. Now, what does it look like? Maybe it involves a simple greeting, a hug, and a chat about the day. Perhaps it includes sitting down together for a meal. The important thing is to envision it and know what you want, but it doesn't stop there. The next step is equally crucial. Sit down with your partner and ask them what they would like in the ideal homecoming. Now, you've got two visions. The exciting part is bringing these visions together, not just meeting each other's expectations, but exceeding them. It's not a compromise. It's a union of ideals that makes the experience even better. Now imagine practicing this daily, allowing each other the grace to do it not so perfectly. Learn together, talk about it, and improve. It's a journey of 20 times, 10,000 times, and beyond. It's about fostering a connection, building a happy home, and appreciating the little moments. So how can you make coming home the perfect experience? By imagining it, discussing it, and creating a shared vision. It's not about being perfect. It's about being perfectly imperfect together. Are you ready to transform your homecoming into something truly special? The adventure begins with a simple question. What does your perfect homecoming look like? Now, armed with the vision of your perfect homecoming, the next step is to communicate. Talk to your partner about your desires and listen to theirs. Create a space where both of you feel comfortable sharing what would make the end of the day truly special. Remember, this process isn't about demanding perfection from each other. It's about understanding, compromise, and a commitment to making each other's lives better. By aligning your visions, you're not just creating a harmonious homecoming, you're building a stronger relationship. Imagine the joy of coming home and feeling genuinely welcomed, appreciated, and understood. It's a powerful recipe for a happy and fulfilling life together. But of course, the journey involves learning and growing together. So give each other the grace to stumble and learn from those stumbling blocks. Picture this, 20 times of practicing, learning, and growing. You may not get it perfect every time, and that's absolutely okay. The key is in the shared commitment to improvement. It's about evolving together, making the effort, and cherishing the moments of connection. As you embark on this journey, think of it as a dance, sometimes slow and deliberate, sometimes fast and exciting. Embrace the rhythm of your relationship, the ups and downs, and the beautiful synchrony that comes from understanding each other deeply. So, how can you make your homecoming truly perfect? It starts with a question, a shared vision, and a commitment to building something beautiful together. It's not about waiting for the perfect moment. It's about creating the perfect moment together. In conclusion, the magic of a perfect homecoming lies in the shared dreams, the open communication, and the willingness to grow as a couple. As you strive to make your home a haven of love and understanding, remember that perfection is found in the imperfect, beautifully messy moments you create together. Are you ready to turn your homecoming into a masterpiece of joy and connection? The choice is yours.